So, all the students, Sanjay sir here from Sanket Study Center. Today we would like to see poem number 8, Fog by Carl Sandburg from First Flight book. As usual, we are having some summary and then we'll go for that. But prior to that, I would like to give an introduction of the poet Carl August Sandburg, January 6, 1878 to July 22, 1967. Was an American poet, writer, and editor. He won 3 Pulitzer Prizes, 2 for his poetry and 1 for his biography of Abraham Lincoln. During his lifetime, Sandburg was widely regarded as a major figure in contemporary literature, especially for volume of his collected verse, including Chicago Poem 1916, Cornhusker 1918, and Smoke and Still 1920. Let's have some summary. The fog rolls in over a harbor मतलब के seaport and city, looking mighty cat-like. Here is a comparison, metaphorical comparison, like a cat. At first, it's quiet and unsuspecting, like a cat. Then again, very much like a cat, it moves on an either disappear or pounces मतलब jumping on another harbor या तो city. And the fog does all of this in a whooping space of only a 6 line. You can see only hardly of 6 line. So if you can see, summarize this, you can see at the top of the fog, it's a free verse. The poem Fog, penned by Carl Sandburg, written in free verse, small 6-line poem, talks about the movement of the fog. It comes silently, like the footsteps of a small cat, and then it covers the city and the harbor. The fog, like a cat, does what it pleases and obey no rules whatsoever. कोई भी rule obey नहीं करता है. The fog remains still, covering both the places. It appears like a cat sitting on his haunches and showing its paw, and then it moves away like a cat which does not like to remain in one place for a long time. The fog also disappears totally. Now we would like to see poem line by line. The fog comes, no sound, on little cat feet. As we have seen, it's a metaphorical statement. Fog comes, comparison, implied comparison with the cat feet. It comes with a no sound. That's why it compared with cat feet. It sits looking over harbor. Harbor मतलब के seaport and city as well. There are 2 different words, harbor and city. On silent haunches. Haunches मतलब sitting with bent knee, right? Sitting with bent knee. You can see. Sorry. Sitting with knees bent, and then moves on. Moves on means it goes on. You can see hardly 6 line. So if we can see the poem Fog here represented, small 6 line talks about the movement of the fog. It comes silently, like the footstep of a small cat. Then it covers the city and harbor. दूसरे में अगर आप लोग देखो तो fog, like a cat, does what it please and obey no rules whatsoever. The fog remains still, covering both the places. It appears like a cat sitting on his haunches. Haunches मतलब के sitting with knees bent, right? And showing its power. Then it moves away. Then it moves away like a cat which does not like to remain at one place for a long time. Thus how fog also disappear totally. यहाँ पे आप लोग poetic devices भी देखते हैं, right? Poetic devices में अगर हम लोग देखेंगे तो first line, fog comes. The fog comes, no sound, personification. Inanimate fog is given the human quality of coming. Number 2, on little cat feet, It's a metaphor. Already mentioned over there. Indirect comparison, implied comparison with the slow movement of the fog as well as cat. And a cat. It's a hyperbole as well. Movement of the fog is compared to a little cat. Third line, over harbor and city. Antithesis लिखा ही है बाजू में. Two opposite words, harbor and city, are used the same sentence for the poetic effect. Antithesis in which two opposite or two contradictory words taken together. On silent haunches, metaphor है. There is again an indirect comparison between the position of the fog and person on the haunches. जैसे हम लोग बैठते हैं वैसे. और भी एक है ट्रांसफर एफिडेट. बहुत अच्छा है ट्रांसफर एफिडेट. याद रखना, adjective silent has been shifted or transferred from the fog to the haunches. And last one, very important, आप लोगों को गाला या तो हार्दिक के जो वो स्पेशली पेपर सेट्स आते हैं वहां पे आपको मिलेगा. एंड देन मूव्स ऑन, क्योंकि पर्सोनिफिकेशन है. Inanimate fog is given the human quality of moving on. That's how poet has smartly described this. He rolls on in over harbor as well as city, right? Looking mighty, cat-like. At first, it is very quiet, and then unsuspecting, like a cat. Again, very much like a cat, moves on, right? And either disappear or pouches on another harbor or city. And the fog does all of this in a very whooping space, and hardly a 6-line poet used for that. Very simple and very ordinary poem. We have also discussed all the figure of speech right over here. तो figure of speech के साथ साथ अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे ऐसा देखें, what does Sandberg think the fog like? According to Sandberg, fog is like a cat. How does the fog come? Okay, fog comes on little cat feet. Then third question, what does it in the third line refer to? In the third line, it refer to the fog that has covered the city, and it seems as if it's looking over the city like a cat. और एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, does the poet actually say that the fog is like a cat? Find 3 things that tell us that the fog is like a cat. No, poet does not actually say that the fog is like a cat. Does not actually. But यहाँ पे comparison के तौर पे. However, he has used cat as a metaphor for describing the fog. He says that fog comes on his little cat feet, which implies that the fog is like a cat as it comes very slowly. He also says that fog looks over the harbor and city and then moves on, implying that the fog has covered the city and is sitting and looking at it, thereby again comparing it to a cat. This is reiterated when he says that the fog looks over the city sitting on a silent haunches like human being. This also implied the reference to a cat, as cat always sits with its knees bent. Hence, he has compared the fog to a cat without actually saying so. So, that was the poem. Hopefully, you must have enjoyed this. A very small poem. In spite of having 3 summary and some of the question answer as well, we could able to complete this. If you feel that this video you like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Sanjay Purohit from Sanket Study Center.